Hello YouTubers, this your boy Josh, making a video today about replacing your Mercury Grand Marquis 2003 on up lock cylinder. Alright, you got all your stuff set out and everything. So what you do is, make sure you separate everything, got your numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 different type of drums, or I would say tumbler keys or wafers. Everybody call them wafers. You got your lock cylinder right here, the replacement part. Of course, nothing's in it. You have the spring in the ball with the plastic clip. Alright, that's going to go inside here. That's where the spring and the ball is going to go. And then on the other side, when you lock it, it's going to be able to show the plastic wafer is going to go down in here. Alright, so when you first get your lock cylinder out, take it out, you go to this hole right here where your screwdriver can only fit by itself. No screw. You got your front screw, back screw. But this right here is where you're going to get your lock cylinder out. Turn your key to the on position. Make sure you turn your key to the on position. And you're going to reach up in there and actually look for the silver ball. Alright, there. Boom. Alright. And when you press down on it, you should be able to wiggle the cylinder out. You don't see too many videos like this. Exclusive. Yeah, see how there's nothing else in there but wires. Alright. Kinda gotta get the feel of it. Kinda hard just to go straight at it. So once you press down on it, wiggle that key out, and boom, you got the key out. Haha. Alright. So now that you got your key out, next thing you're gonna do, take that orange clip off. Don't break it. Don't break it, because you might need it for maybe a replacement purposes. So make sure you be gentle with it. Use a flathead or a pick. You can use a pick. I got a pick. And kind of pop it off. Pew! Alright. This is what you do. See this piece right here? That little piece that you have to press down on? You can go ahead and take that little drum out right there. Alright, take that out, put it to the side. Placement purposes. Yeah. It's like that. Alright. Take your lock cylinder. Sit there and make sure to keep the key in. Turn it all the way. And what you're going to do is, see how it's not lining up? As far as this one, for it to turn all the way, it lines up and it slides right out. That's because nobody tells you there's a freaking pinhole that you have to look for in your stock one. There is a pinhole, because that ball will not turn all the way in your replacement one. Or in some cases you might not have a pinhole, but the ball is right there. You can see the silver ball right here. It has to be pressed down. It has to be pressed down in order for it to turn all the way and to drop the key out of the cylinder. Alright. I can't really do it with one hand, but let's try. Alright, remember, keep the key in, because you don't want wafers flying everywhere. And plus you can't really take it out anyway. Haha. Now the ball will pop out. Alright, the ball will pop out, so be careful. There goes the spring. Dump the spring. Here. Dump the spring out. Gotta be slow because it has grease on it. But since I'm only one-handed, I can't really do both at the same time. And boom, it comes out with all your wafers already in there. So what you do is, from here on out, you take your sheet that comes with the kit, and you see, and you basically just line them up as the instructions will show you, and go from there. So use your sections, station 1 through 8, and continue from there. Then you reverse the procedure and put your lock cylinder, when putting your lock cylinder back in, basically just push it in and then turn the key back and forth to make sure it works. Thank you. Watch, subscribe, hit that like button, share it with all your friends. Alright. Have a good day.